In this video, we are going to check how much money we can make while we make our breakfast. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this one. Also, if you want to use the Pocket Option Auto Trader completely for free, just use the link that you find below the video and you can get started. Now let's see how much money we make.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go.
So, there you have it. Within the time I made my breakfast of 4 minutes, I made myself $388 with a 67% win rate. So, what you can say? There you can see. I can start my day, make my breakfast, and that's what I can make in that short time. And that could be my salary for this day. So, if you want this binary option robot completely for free yourself, use the link that you find below the video and you also can get started today. So with that, have an amazing day.